Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing 90-day retirement visas. I've had some correspondence on this, people basically asking me about them. We did some video on this back, I guess it's been a little bit over a year now. For those who don't recall, there was a time going back into the summer of 2020, sort of the deep lockdown, when it was hardly possible to even get into Thailand at all. And then they started phases of reopening, and then they allowed OA retirement visas to come in. But that, for a period of time, left O retirees kind of out in the cold. And it even resulted in some cases of people who got stuck out of the country even before retirees were allowed to come back at all, who lost their retirement status. Their retirement visa expired while they were abroad. They came back in, and to kind of clean this up, they created the 90-day O retirement visa. And the way that I look at this is, as a policy matter, this is effectively, it's kind of a fix-it device, if you will, a bandage, if you will, to allow somebody, its initial design was to allow someone who had retiree status in Thailand to get a 90-day O retirement visa, come back to Thailand, and then use that O retirement visa to sort of retake their status, get their extension again, and move on with their lives. Now, in the future, do I think there's going to be a lot of these issued? I kind of doubt it. I think it's going to be kind of a rarity. And again, it's all going to be circumstantially dependent. But the thing to take away from this video, it's not a wise presumption to think it could be possible. And from our experience, the immigration apparatus, in this case manifested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in the form of the Thai embassies and consulates, these folks are, generally speaking, the policy is they want people to come in on an OA retirement visa, but there may be circumstances down the road where perhaps it may be appropriate to issue an O retirement visa. And if you're kind of concerned about this, you're kind of confused, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.